चिड़ियों की चहक, फूलों की महक, पत्तों की खनक, माशाअल्लाह की चमक, बिजली की कड़क, पुरनूर फलक, सुबहान अल्लाह। अल्लाह 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 या रब 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 या रब।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम प्यारे बच्चों, वेलकम टू कंजुल ईमान स्कूल टीवी। आओ बच्चों, हम आज का सबक पढ़ते हैं। आप भी मेरे साथ मिलकर पढ़ें। Dear children, today we are going to do the planner of day 15. We are going to start with English, page number 17 and 19. Respected parents and teachers, as you know, we had done page number 17 before. So, learn the page number 17 on the same pattern. New words. It is. Dear children, today we will learn the use of a, an or and. प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम न्यू वर्ड्स इट और इस यूज़ करेंगे और ए और एन और एंड का यूज़ सीखेंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। रीड अलाउड विद मी। डियर चिल्ड्रन, रीड अलाउड विद मी अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन। प्यारे बच्चों, मैं आपको पढ़ाना स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ। आपने मेरे साथ ऊंची आवाज़ में बार बार पढ़ना है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। इट इज़ अ बैग and a book. It is a bag and a book. जैसे कि ये एक बैग है and और a book एक किताब। It is a bag and a book. It is an ant and a bat. It is an ant and a bat. It is an axe and a bag. It is a pen and a pad. It is an arm and a hand. It is a hen and an egg. It is an ear and an eye. It is a box and an axe. General knowledge. Which is our national game? हमारा कौमी खेल कौन सा है? हॉकी। Children, read aloud with me. Which is our national game? Hockey. Which is our national drink? Sugar cane. हमारा कौमी ड्रिंक कौन सा है? जूस। Sugar cane. गन्ने के जूस को कहते हैं। Which is our national drink? Sugar cane. Which is our national drink? Sugar cane. What are living things? Living things क्या हैं? जानदार चीज़ें। They can move, breathe and eat. जो कि हरकत करती हैं, सांस लेती हैं और खाती हैं। ऐसी चीज़ों को हम क्या कहते हैं? Living things. Children, read aloud with me. What are living things? They can move, breathe and eat. What are living things? They can move, breathe and eat. Conversation. What does your father do? आपके वालिद क्या काम करते हैं? My father do an office job. What does your father do? My father do an office job. What does your mother do? आपकी मम्मा क्या करती हैं? My mother is a housewife, यानी कि घर में ही रहती हैं। When do you get up in the morning? I get up at 5 o'clock. When do you get up in the morning? आप सुबह कितने बजे उठते हैं? I get up at 5 o'clock. Poem. Two little dicky birds. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Revision. Respected teachers and the parents, revise page number 5, 8, 11 and 14. Learn it again and again and again with loud readings and phonics. Also revise the question of general knowledge, question number 1 to 9, conversation question number 1 to 9, and the poems Two Little Dicky Birds, line number 1 and line number 2. Respected teachers, teach it well today with phonics and listen to the children with phonics by tomorrow. Make sure that all the students have learnt all the questions today with loud reading and then listen tomorrow positively. मोहतरम असातिज़ा किराम, आपने बच्चों को आज अच्छे से फोनिक्स के साथ पढ़ाना है। इस बात का यकीन कर लें कि बच्चों ने तमाम क्वेश्चन आंसर अच्छे से ऊंची आवाज़ में याद कर लिए हैं और रीडिंग याद कर ली है और कल दोबारा से आपने इसी पैटर्न पे सुनना है। थैंक यू। Dear children, let's start written work now. Write A and write and. The use of A and we had learned many times before. Like if there is consonants, we will put A, and if there is vowels, we will put an. The words which start with vowels, we will use an with them, and the words which start with consonants, we will use A with them. So let's start. Gun starts from G. G is a consonant, we will put A over here. Ox is start from a vowel, O is a vowel, so we will put an over here. Hen, a hen. App, an app. A jar. Right and. And is basically used when we are going to talk about two different things, and to differentiate between them we use and, like a man and a gun, जैसे एक आदमी और एक gun. A man and a gun. An ox and a cow. एक बैल और एक गाय. A hen and an egg. An app and a fox. A jar and a jam. Dear children, do the homework on the same pattern. Also learn the uses of A and add and. For parents, listen page number 17 and learn again. Thank you.
चिड़ियों की चहक, फूलों की महक, पत्तों की खनक, माशाअल्लाह की चमक, बिजली की कड़क, पुरनूर फलक, सुबहान अल्लाह। अल्लाहु अल्लाहु अल्लाह।